Hello children, we're back, but we're in somewhere different, look at this. We've come to somewhere else because they've got black chalkboards like these, look at that. Now, we're going to do a little bit of art. We're going to draw a picture of Arthur B. If I can. So, let's get down here. So what I need is a head first. Hopefully you can see that. And then I need a body. Wow. It looks a little bit like a snowman at this point. Oh, talking of points, he has a little stinger there, doesn't he? And then he has rip, big wing there, rip, and a big wing there. And then I do one of them. Now I'm not going to need black chalk here because that's black. And I do one of them, and one of them. Now let's see if I've got a yellow. Yes, I have. So I can do that yellow. I think I'll have his face yellow. There you go. Yours will be better than this because you'll have more time. And you're probably just better at drawing than I am. We'll do that, and I'll do that. Now, I need, oh, I'll tell you what. I'll give him some nice eyes. There you go, little nose. And a big smiley mouth, of course. Oh! I nearly forgot his antennas. Now, where would he be without his antennas? And I think he can have arms. I think I'll use blue for his arms. There's Arthur. There's Arthur. And on this one, let's see what I can do on this one. This is a strange colour. I'm going to use this colour. Let's see what it comes out as. Now this looks a little bit like, well, whoa, this looks a little bit like a wiggly worm, doesn't it? But if I do that, and that, and then that, and then I get another colour, because I like another colour on this one, and I do a great big wing like this. Watch this. My chalk's broke again. And then I do a nice little face. And I do nice patterns on them wings. Different colours. It doesn't really look like a different colour, that, does it? They all look the same, but they are different. I think I'll have a purple body. And that is B-E-R-T-I. That's Bertie Butterfly. And over here, well, this one is, of course, Arthur. Do you know what I think I'll draw? Over here, just in the corner, just a little one. Not on Arthur's though. Draw a little flower there, but not on Arthur's because he doesn't like the flowers because of his, well, I'm not going to tell you why unless you've heard the story. There you go. Some flowers. So there's Bertie Butterfly. Easy to do, but you do much better than this. And Arthur B. You can do any B, and even if you haven't got the right colours, you can use any colour you want, but I bet yours is much better than mine. But that just shows you how quick and how easy it was. So have a lovely day and I'll see you later. Bye!